Hi there, Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hiya.
And today we're going to do a speed test of my bone stock TT02D DriftSpec. It is stock, as I say, but it does come with a Sport Tuned motor, but we're not expecting it to go really quick. As you can see, the only thing I've done is I've put some road wheels on.
Yeah.
We had a quick try, didn't we, Rob? See how
We did.
it's handling, and it's kind of just as slippy as with the DriftSpec tyres on, isn't it?
Yeah,
with this,
especially in this rain.
Wet, rainy conditions. But we'll give it a go anyway. So yeah, I'm not expecting much, but let's see what she'll do.
Right, so the speed meter's reading 0. Let's give it a go, dude.
Alright mates, here we go. You ready?
Yep.
It's not centering, Rob.
It's not. Let me move out the way. Oh.
Binding, I think.
Whoa! Spin out!
Drift tyres. One more go. Okay, I'm bringing her in, Rob.
Okay.
I'll just show you guys how slippy this is. This is with road tyres on, eh, Rob?
Yeah.
Should we have a look?
Yeah, let's have a look. We have... Oh, ooh. Now that's a surprise.
What's that, Rob?
I can't see it.
I think it's 20.
Yeah,
Is it 20?
it's having difficulty focusing with all the rain.
Oh, I think there's that.
Oh, hang on. No, yeah, I can just about see that now. 20.
Cool. I wasn't expecting that.
No, nor me.
Must be the Sport Tuned motor. That's pretty impressive, isn't it?
It certainly is, sir.
Well, guys, there you go. 20 mile an hour. Thanks for watching. See you soon.